Hey everyone, are you feeling the Christmas crunch? Don't worry, it is not too late to decorate. Today, come with me as I show you how to transform your space for the holidays with a $25 budget at IKEA. Let's go! Adding a couple of holiday-inspired pillow covers can completely refresh your space without breaking the bank. Now, these simple red candles are only a few dollars. I got them on sale for $3.49. They bring instant coziness and warmth to your home to create a cozy vibe. Look at these festive scents. I bought the red because I just love the way the red just illuminates when I'm sitting down in the dark, putting on my favorite Christmas movie. Creates so much warmth. This is silly. These are cute. They're adorable. And we can't forget the gingerbread cookies. Look at this. Isn't this cute? I took these cookies and let me tell you, I ate them. I ate them. I devoured them. I was originally supposed to arrange them on a nice little plate, but they didn't last long. But you can if you have self-control.
Oh, you're getting multiple ones. Yum.
So now here we are back at home. I got in my sleeper pajamas and I am ready to light these candles. And what I used was an everyday item like a stackable tray. This tray that I already had, this 3-tier tray, I already used it for spices and teas. But I said, you know what, how would this look if I stacked the candles on here? And you could do the same using whatever it is that you already have to make an instant holiday glow. These pillow covers, they made my couch look so festive and inviting. And if you're not a fan of candles, grab a hold of this potpourri for $2.99. This will have your home anywhere in the house smelling festive. Not to mention you might want and be tempted to grab a hold of some cinnamon cookies before the end of the day. What I did was I grabbed a hold of a globe-shaped vase that was unused, and I just simply poured the bag of potpourri, making it look nice and festive in any room of your house. So there you have it, a festive space for under $25. And remember, it's not too late to make your home merry and bright this season. If you loved this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more affordable home ideas. Happy holidays!